parts for the Runaround clamp. There's a clover, the 2 hinges, 2 spacers and the nuts and bolts. First of all, take 2 of the bolts, pop them through what will be the bottom of the clover, then just hang those on the mesh. Then take one of the rubber spacers, pop that on, and then the lower clamp. Onto that, pop the nylock nuts. Put those just up finger tight for now. Then take the other 2 bolts, pop them through the top 2 holes, and then top rubber and hinge clamp. Third nylock nut, and then on the hinge side the washer and the wing nut. Now you can tighten up the lock nuts. Just so they pinch tight. Then to attach the pipe, loosen the hinge, take your pipe, pop it into the bottom, just raise the hinge, and you can put the pipe in and then close the hinge down. Tighten up the wing nut. And that's the pipe clamp.